What's up everybody, Ultimate Reviews here and welcome back for another video. So it's been 8 months since I made a video, which hasn't been great, but I've just been caught up with other stuff in life, and it was only recently where I thought, you know what, making YouTube videos are really fun. They are genuinely fun, but because I took such a long break off it, I just sort of got lost. But anyway, I've got a ton of videos coming. They're just sort of all piling up, so I need to get them out. Starting with the Parrot drone. Now, first of all, huge thanks to Parrot for sending out their new drone, the Parrot Swing, for me to review. Before I go any further, I would usually not read manuals because they're just boring. However, this being my first ever drone I've ever controlled, I just had to read it just in case anything crazy happened. But trust me guys, if it's your first time buying a drone, flying a drone, doing whatever with a drone, make sure you read the manual and don't fly the drone indoors because it's dangerous. Unless you're a skilled expert like myself. So having said that, we're gonna fly the drone indoors just for you guys, right here, right now. I'm a risk taker. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Oh shit. Oh shit, that was dangerous. Alright, we're gonna do it again, and this time we're gonna do it right. Oh shit, did I scratch my lens? I think I scratched my lens. No way! No way! I scratched my lens! Oh shit! No! No way! Okay, so back to the purpose of this whole video, the drone review. So let's talk about the drone. It's a quadcopter. You've got the 4 propellers. Very easy to come off. Not to the point where it stops it from flying. However, you know, if you do need to remove it, it literally takes a little bit of pressure and the propellers pop off. There was an occasion where the drone flew into the side of a house. Yeah, that wasn't too great, and I actually ended up losing one of the propellers. However, quite conveniently, Parrot include 4 propellers in the box, 2 white ones, 2 black ones, so it was literally a matter of replacing it, which was very useful. But other than that, it's literally just a well-built drone. So like I said, it's a quadcopter. The wings are super light. I was genuinely surprised when I took this drone out of the box. I was expecting a bit more metal and, well, I guess not metal, plastic, I guess. Honestly, I was expecting something a bit heavier. I picked this up like, oh crap, it's super light. It's very light. And I think a lot of people expect that as well. Which I guess it's sort of good. It allows it to just glide through the air and, you know, no problem. Okay, so moving on to the heart of the drone, and that's this little compartment here, which is not detachable from the wings. But in the heart, you're gonna find a camera, which we will move on to in a sec. You're gonna find a micro USB charging port. Again, that's to charge the drone. And you're gonna find a battery. The drone flies for 7 minutes on a full charge, right? That's 420 seconds, 420 get high to get by. This drone does get high and it does get by. However, it only does that for 7 minutes. And one thing I noticed was when I started to really get into like the whole flying and everything, the whole fun's sort of over. 7 minutes is a short amount of time. Now, again, it's what you sort of expect from a battery the size of a bloody Tic Tac. The camera is completely average. Like, it was nothing completely out the water, but then again, you don't expect anything completely out the water because, you know, it one isn't designed to, you know, for filming in pictures. It just takes snapshots. and 2, just from looking at the design, clearly a camera wasn't prioritized, so you don't really expect much from it. However, it does have a camera, it takes pictures, and I'd say they're average quality. I'll just take my phone out of this, right? This is the controller, and it truly blew my mind. It blew my mind. This feels like an Xbox One controller. And directly above the takeoff button, you've got the Parrot drone button, which turns the controller on. Now, this little contraption you see here is simply to attach your phone to, nothing more, nothing less, and was really easy to attach to the controller, and also comes in the box. And last but not least, moving on over to the pricing, the drone comes in at £120, which I thought at first was quite pricey, but after seeing what the drone really offers and its potential, I think it's completely justified. And I think honestly, if you're paying for anything else cheaper for a drone, the quality will be significantly less. So yeah, I think £120 is completely justified when purchasing this drone. But yeah guys, that's pretty much it for today. If you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the thumbs up button somewhere below the video. I don't know if it's moved positions. It's been 8 months since I made a YouTube video, but now that I've got the ball rolling, it's just gonna keep rolling. It's just gonna keep rolling. I've got a bunch of videos lined up for you guys, and I will get them out as soon as possible. The OnePlus 5 review, it's on its way. That's gonna be fun doing. And yeah, guys, honestly, let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will honestly catch you all in the next video. Have a great day. Peace. 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 See you later.